there's a much longer history of kind of higher education becoming too focused only on one model, and that model really was the research university, a very modern version of the research university. And I had noted that there was less clarity about the purpose in general of an institution, or of how to foster that sense of purpose among undergraduates. And it became articulated, Clayton's essay talks about the role of the liberal arts. And I think that larger horizon of both character formation and purpose had been either sidelined or had been put into kind of false opposition, that it's either in loco parentis of a really problematic sort, or we're not going to ask that question at all. And I think that the horizon that Julie Rubin outlines in her remarkable history of the 20th century and higher education on ethics and the marginalization of morality, I just kept seeing ways in which young people were yearning for that larger sense of purpose and a sense of character, and the need to really bring those together. I also include in that an entrepreneurial mindset, that sense of looking toward the future, what I talk about in terms of tradition to innovation. And what I've discovered, and particularly with Google and then the emergence of AI, the old model of just conveying information, and sometimes called the sage on the stage and that sort of thing, was increasingly irrelevant and obsolete. And yet we were stuck in old patterns. And the need to reimagine is to, in some sense, go back to an older model in a new key. And that's what I mean by tradition to innovation, that's preserving some really terrific things that have been part of the liberal arts for a long time, alongside the new key of how do we adapt and focus on the future.